Codula is a free source that allows everyone to be a creator. It does not require any Java or coding skills to making an app on a Codula. It is also similar on putting together a puzzle with its innovative language, or known as a block. The reason of using Codula because it is feature-packed and it is updated frequently. Other than that, since the developers are new in developing apps, it is also has an active community for a quick resolutions. There are still a few limitations, such as it has a max app size limit. Even though we can add many screens, but it is advisable for us to go up to only 10 pages only in order to have a stable apps and maintain functionality and stability of the app. This application is named as Cat Apps. The objective of this database system, the number one, is to build and design a systematic application for cat adoption. Number two, the application helps to rescue stray cats to find new homes. Third, to reduce the amount of stray animals by helping them to find their rightful owner through the platform established in the application, where users can share the photos and location of stray animals.
Since the number of stray animals is increasing every year, it has become a severe problem that must be addressed urgently. Pet overpopulation has resulted from a big number of stray animals, and this will have a number of negative consequences for society. Stray animals cause a slew of issues that have an impact on people's daily life. For example, without sufficient care and shelter, animals are more likely to contract disease such as rabies, a rare disease that is easily transmitted and fatal to humans. Even though there are many good people who care about animals and are willing to help, most people lack the necessary understanding to protect them. Without adequate instruction, volunteers often find it difficult to help the animals, and most of the time they are unable to locate friends or companions to accompany them. The number of animals in need is always more than the number of volunteers willing to help. As a result, there will be a shortage of manpower available to assist in an emergency. Therefore, we need a platform that allows organizations to arrange activities and invite volunteers to participate, which will be beneficial. The number of euthanized animals could be reduced dramatically if more people adopted pets instead of buying them. With these issues in mind, we set out to create a solution. This app will not only meet the needs of the people to get a pet, but also do a good deed by offering homeless animals a home forever.
Assalamualaikum. My name is ADILAH SHAMSUL BAHARIN, and I would like to explain the SQL command, table creation and data insertion. In table stuff, the basic command for retrieving data from a database table is to select data from a table. Now, surprisingly, the keyword select and from mark up the code of the SQL statement. In fact, the syntax for select from is pretty straightforward. Select column name from table name. To select all column, we simply select star and from table stuff, same as the rest of the table. In this project, we have created a 6 table, that is adoption pet, appointment, customer, pet, services, and staff. From this table, it can be seen that the primary key for adoption pet is adoption ID, and another 2 attribute, which is a composite key, that is staff ID and customer ID. While in pet table, the primary key is pet ID and the foreign key is staff ID. Table staff and customer only has primary key. And table service has primary key and composite key. Same with table appointment. Once we have created a table, we need to insert the data so that the database has the value. Therefore, in staff table, we insert staff ID, staff name, staff number, staff email, and staff gender. While in service table, we insert service ID, service type, service description, cost, and staff ID. Same with pet table, we insert the ID, pet type, description, photo, and staff ID. So like the rest of the table. So that's all from me. Thank you.
This is the ERD for this project. This is the app design sketch. This is the homepage of the app interface. We put the logo at the center of the page and a navigation icon at the bottom of the page. Next is the About Policy page. This page is mainly for introduction about the Policy Apps project, such as our goals, donation, and the information about the Pet Expo. We use button for the labeling at the bottom of the page. We put a button to return to the home page. We also add a scrolling enable feature on this page. So if we click on any features or button on the previous page, we will move to this page. This is the Meet Pet page. Here we put the picture of the cat, the name, and a bit description such as gender, breed, color, and the age. At the bottom of the page, we put a button which is the Apply button. When we click Apply, we will move to the next page. This is the application form. We use label for the application form text at the top of the page. There are 4 fields that the user need to fill in, then click Submit to complete the application form. We use button for the Submit feature. Then this is the Giveaway pet page. At the bottom of the page, there are 2 buttons, which is the Yes, Sure, and No button. Click on Yes to proceed to the application form, or click No to proceed to the home page. This is the Contact Policy design page. Here we put information such as email, phone number, shelter, and cafe location. Lastly is the Feedback design page. This page we put customer picture with our previous cat and the customer's name and the comment about our app. At the bottom of the page, we put home button to move to the home page.
Greetings, my name is NURUL FARAHAZILA binti Mohammad Alino. The focus of my presentation is the functionality of the application. First of all, a splash page is an introduction page for the mobile application. Click Get Started. I will focus on home page for Policy Apps. It is also known as the Start page or Startup page. So as you can see, there are 5 buttons navigations. This is icon for Policy Project page. This is Meet Me page, Rescue page, Contact page, and Feedback page. First, I go to Policy Project page. On this page will appear 3 menus: Policy Project, Policy Donate, and Pet Expo. For Policy Project menu, is an introduction and the mission of our project. Click back to 3 menus. Next is Policy Donate. Policy Donate is to show users how to donate to Pet Society. So user can read more detail here. For Pet Expo, the section will inform any Pet Expo in Malaysia upcoming soon. Next, on Meet Me page, in here user can browse pet to be adopted. Okay, so let's say when user find their favorite pet to be adopted, first they must click the cat page. Okay, there will be a cat photo and cat description. After read the cat description, you must click tick to proceed. This button for proceed. Before you proceed, user must read the terms and conditions of Posy apps. If you agree, click continue. By doing so, the page will go to the application form for user to fill in their personal information and booking date for the appointment. Okay, for example, I type my name. Click submit. There you go, application accepted. Go to home page. Next, user can go to rescue me page. Basically, this page is for pet owner who wanted to give their pet or unowned cat found in the street. Maybe the cat is sick or homeless, so Posy provides shelter for them until they found their new owner. Then I'll go to contact page. Okay, this page plays an important for visitors by providing them with a place where they can find all our contact details easily, such as contact number, email, our location. Lastly is the feedback page. Okay. This page is to show the customers' comment or think on how they are feelings about our service. Okay. User can scroll down the page to enjoy the movement of the pets and their owner in this section. That's all. Thank you for watching.
Hello, my name is CHRISNI anak RANI and I'm going to present the conclusion part. Mobile applications have grown quite common in recent years. There are many types of mobile applications such as gaming apps, business and productivity apps, e-commerce apps, and many more. The first mobile application provided general purpose information and information services through the worldwide network such as email, calendar, stock market, listings, and weather data. However, the demand for mobile devices users as well as the ability to develop mobile applications have expanded into other areas such as mobile gaming, industrial automation, GPS, and so on. The increase in the quantity and diversity of applications has resulted in a wide range of users. Many services such as detecting location and online banking, monitoring purchasing tickets, and even mobile medical services require the assistance of mobile application technology nowadays. In this mobile application project, there has a number of features that can be used to innovate or improve it. These features appear to be valuable to the application. However, owing to a time limitation, they were not implemented. To sum up, A mobile application can help people to overcome their problems and give them a proper solutions. For example, the development of the Posy mobile apps aims to help rescue houses and protect the stray cats, as well as help potential adopters to find a pet.